Hello friends, welcome to Smart Solutions. In this video we will talk about all types of construction contracts part 2. So in my part 1 construction contract video I have explained and talked about three types of civil contracts. So when we want to execute our civil works via third party contractor, we make two types of contracts with him. One is piecework agreement and the second is called contract agreement. So these are basically the types of contracts agreements. So we have covered three types of contracts agreement. Now this is the fourth type of contract agreement. So before starting the video, I will request you to first subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, because it contains civil engineering videos. So also press the bell icon so that you may not miss my upcoming videos. So now let's start the video. The first and the fourth type of construction contract is cost plus percent of cost contract. So as you can see that this name suggests that the contractor is given original cost plus a percentage of that cost, like it's a bonus to him. So previously we've studied three types: item rate contract, lump sum contract, and item rate plus lump sum contract. So these were two main types: item rate and lump sum contract. So the third was combination of both. Now this fourth is a variation of lump sum contract, that contractor is given its original amount in lump sum and also some benefit percentage of the total project cost. The money is initially invested by the project, and after completion of the project he is given the original cost. Sorry, this is by mistakenly written project. The initial investment is done by the contractor. Contractor invest his money to carry out that civil work, and after the completion of the project he is given his construction cost, his original cost, and some fixed percentage, usually 10% of the total works, for carrying out that civil project. So the merit of this type of contract, that changes are possible during the project. If we want to suggest some change, it's possible, because lump sum contract we can ask him to do anything, like to make a certain type of work, to do certain type of work. So the client only supervises. And the demerit is that no knowledge of the total cost of the project is known, so the contractor can increase the card to benefit himself and to increase his percentage, because he will do things according to his own way. He will try to increase the cost because he invests his own money, so then he will take more advantage from this. So this is the demerit of this type of contract. So the fifth type is cost plus fee plus bonus contract. And by the way, the above is just written by mistake. You should not consider this, because we have talked about it. This was the fourth type, so just leave it for now. So the fifth type is cost plus fee cost plus fee plus bonus contract. Basically what it means, in this type of contract, the contractor does all the investment and he's given his original amount and an additional bonus, but the condition is that the bonus is given in the situation when, if he has done the work according to the specification and rules that are mentioned and agreed upon in the contract. If he has not done the work according to the specification, he will not be given any additional bonus. So basically this is the variation of lump sum contract, but to attract the contractor, he is given an incentive of bonus. And in the previous type of contract, he was given a profit, 10% of profit, but in this example he is given a bonus on a condition: if he has done work according to the specification, that bonus will be given, otherwise the bonus will not be given. So the contractor focuses more on the quality of work, and thus the quality of work is maintained. The contractor is paid a fixed amount and a bonus if he has done the work according to the specification. If no, then his bonus is not given. Thus the quality of work is maintained with less supervision. So less supervision is required, because the cost plus percent of cost contract, in that type of contract, the contractor focuses more on the project completion and not the quality of the work. So the fourth type of contract in that contract the quality was not maintained. So in this type of contract the quality could be maintained. And then the sixth type is cost plus fee plus profit sharing contract. This is useful for bigger projects whose profit is more. Like in this type of contract, contractor is given the original amount and plus some profit shared to him, which is just like it's like a joint venture. The contractor is given some profit, and if the project is bigger, so he gets the, if the project is bigger, mega project, he's given some profit sharing, so he gets some profit sharing. So this is a variation of lump sum contract. So basically we have we have studied three types of variation of lump sum contract. One was cost plus percentage of cost contract, and the second was cost plus a bonus contract, and this is cost plus profit sharing contract. So these are the three variation of lump sum contracts. Now the next is joint venture, where two or more companies do big projects together with joint resources and profit sharing condition. I mean, if the project is bigger, two companies collaborate and they work together and they share their profits and resources. So this is known as joint venture or JV. And the last type of contract is called subcontract. So in subcontract, the contractor divides his work and give it to the smaller contractor. So contractor gives smaller parts of the project to other contractor, small contractor, thus his workload is become less. This is known as subcontract. So these are the types, all types of construction contracts. First type was item rate contracts, then lump sum contract, and then item rate plus lump sum contract. Then the fourth type was cost plus percentage of cost contract, and the fifth was cost plus bonus contract, and the sixth was cost plus profit sharing contract, and the seventh is joint venture, and this eight is subcontract. So these are the types of contracts, all types of construction contracts. I hope you have liked this video and you have found it useful. Please share this video as much as possible and also subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.